What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, M2AV. I know y'all probably see the hater blocker shit right here. I get it. We suck this year. It's all good. But yet and still, I'm supportive. I'm gonna pull that down just so y'all can hear me a little bit better. I probably was mumbled in there. But today, man, we got to go to the car dealership. I've been having this problem with my car for a minute now. Probably been about a month and a half, man, where the battery and the check engine light comes on and it says something wrong with my charging system. But I done took it to the dealership 3 times. My car's still under warranty, basically. I done took it there and they keep telling me, matter of fact, they didn't tell me. The first time they changed the battery out, did some other stuff, and it came back. No check engine light, so I was good, cool. Came back on, took it back. They told me I need to unplug all of my aftermarket stuff. Okay, unplug all my aftermarket stuff. I did that. Now, it still came on. So here I go back for a 3rd time. They say they're probably gonna have to keep it for a while. So, we're gonna start this thing up. Let's see if it starts up. Because the check engine light is still on. Well, at least it was yesterday. It does go on and off. Then I'm gonna take it to the dealership and I see y'all when I get to the dealership. Hey, to the dealership. Let's see if it starts though. So it did start. Now let me show you what the check engine light is on. See that? The check engine light. Check engine light is on. But the battery light is not on. The battery light comes on. Turn that down. No copyright. No copyright. But matter of fact, we're gonna ride together because I know a couple of y'all been saying, where you at, man? Where you been, man? What's going on, man? I ain't seen you on the tube in a while. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all something, man. So we can understand. Take this damn mask off. I'm in my car now. When doing YouTube, I'm more of a 10th monther. Yeah, 10th monther. So I normally do 10 YouTube from like there you go. Y'all heard it? Y'all heard it? That means the battery light came on now. Okay, cool. Matter of fact, let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The battery light came on. Okay. Like I said, I normally do YouTube for like 10 months, and then I take a break until the new year. Because I don't know if y'all understand that YouTube is like, I ain't gonna say it's exhausting, but it's a lot to go into it when you're editing videos. So you can take out this, add this, minimize this. You know, you want to do a lot to make your videos pop to people. You don't want to just put up a video of you just sitting in a fucking car, of you just sitting in the car talking for about 30 minutes. I mean, I get it, people do it, and that's how they do it. I just don't do my thing like that. I just don't like that part of the game. So I'm not gonna sit here, I know for a fact, I'm not gonna sit here and watch 30 minutes of your video of you sitting in a car giving me a motivational speech. I don't need 30 days of motivational speech from anybody. Actually, I got my own motivational speech. Appreciate it for the first couple times, but I don't need it. I come here to see what your heading says. And whatever your heading says, or whatever your title says, that's what I come to see. So if it says you had a new rap, I want to come and see your new rap. If it takes you 3 minutes or it takes you 20 minutes to show me your rap, I'm cool with that. But if it takes you 2 minutes to show me your rap and 15 minutes to give me a motivational speech while you drive to get to that, I don't need to hear all that, man. I don't need that. I come to see what your title says. Am I ranting? Am I jabbing? No, I ain't taking no jabs at nobody. But people do it, you know what I'm saying? And I get it, and they can do that. That's how they do their channel, and they get subs by that because people want to know what they do in their everyday life on throughout the day. I get it. Okay, cool. But that's just not me. Dude walking across the street like he ain't got nowhere to be. Can't get his butt out the street. What the heck? It's dark in here, ain't it? Wonder if I open my roof with it. Give me a little bit more light. Yeah, it gave me a little bit more light. I'm gonna tell y'all a couple things, man. I haven't washed my car in like a month and a half thoroughly. I had them wash it, but they didn't do a good job. What else? that's basically it, man. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I did right now when they told me I had to disconnect all my aftermarket parts. Well, all aftermarket parts that deal with more of using your battery. So I had to disconnect my amps, which I have 2 of them. I had to disconnect my flow series, you know, the lights in my headlights. I had to disconnect those. And I also took out my pedal box just to make sure that wasn't the problem. Light still came on after I took that out. So everything is still a problem. So it has something to do with the charging system. It has something to do with the charging system. And I'm hoping they can fix this because I got places to be. And they're not like a 4-minute drive. I have places to be and I can't walk there. But like I said, man, I'm gonna get with y'all, man. I ain't gonna let y'all ride all the way there. It's about a 10-minute ride. So I'm gonna get with y'all when I get there. We're gonna see what it do, make it do what it do, baby. I'll let your boy. Matter of fact, we're gonna see what they give me too. I'm gonna let y'all know what they give me as a loaner. All right, deuces. Oh yeah, we up here, man. Let me see what they done gave me. Let me walk around this car. I'm finna refilm it so they can't blame me for shit. Let's check it out. We're gonna have it on camera. Let's see. Sure, no dirt, anything. We're gonna refilm this. Make sure, Freedom Country, right here in Killeen, Texas. Alright, so Laredo. Guess I won't be drinking nothing in here in these clear ass seats. Yeah, I said clear. Make sure. Y'all may gave me the rundown, no smoking and whatever that is in the car. We're gonna figure it out here. Make sure still. See that spot? Spot here before I got there. Before I got it now. Dirt and shit on the thing. I need to throw them away when they get wet. Alright, let's get in here. Oh shit, only 26. 2,000, I said 2673. Only 2,673 miles on this thing. We had the AC on. Very dirty. Radio on. Let's see what they're doing. Alright, let's get up out of here, man. Let's go. So I done dropped my car off, man. I'm back in this thing again, man. Hey, you ever go somewhere, bro, like to a, what you call these people, man? God dang, we'll get your warranty fixed to the dealership, man. Get your car fixed, and you be like, let me make sure I got everything out of it. I feel like people just gonna go through your stuff regardless, man, just to make sure. I'm gonna take my butt over here to Starbucks, see what they can do. See what this line looking like at Starbucks. Let's roll up in here. Oh, hell no. This the line for Starbucks. Okay, this the line for Starbucks. Look at this. Oh, hell no. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. That's the order thing right there. No, I'm good. All the way good. Bruh. What? Why is they... Ain't they supposed to be at work, man? Today Wednesday. Go to work. Well, don't worry about it. I'm gonna take my butt to the crib. I'm gonna take my butt to the crib, though. I ain't pressed. But I tell you what, though, man, I kind of like this Laredo, man. I ain't drove an SUV in years, even though I got one. I haven't driven one in years. This thing is all right, man. You got the little, I don't know what the A stand for, but I know if you got the auto stop and start with the stoplight when you automatically stops for you. I don't like that, though. I don't like that at all. At all. I don't know why it does it. What's the purpose in it? I know, I guess it's supposed to save fuel. I don't know, but I don't like it at all. It also got a sport mode in here too. Got an eco mode in here. I got it off. I gotta turn the eco mode back on. Ain't that way it save gas? Got the eco mode on. Got a sport mode down, parking assistance. The steering wheel got a couple things on it, but it's nothing special about it. See if I can hook my phone up to this thing. Matter of fact, let's check this out. Okay, let's check this thing out, man. It's got its normal stuff. It's got seat belts. It's got seat belts. Yeah, it does. Ain't no roof in here. I like the roof. What is this? Ain't got no. That's your shade holder. You know, you got your normal stuff. Let's see some lights in here. Yep, that light's on there. Speaker. Speaker for your. The speaker for your. What you call it? Yeah, Bluetooth. One over there. Mm-hmm. Damn, they got your old shit bar over here too. And on the passenger side. Decent. Passenger got no controls. Nothing but lock and let the window down. Okay, speaker in the door. I like when they put the speaker up here versus putting the speaker in the top of the dash. That's what I meant. Versus putting the top of here. I like when they put it on the door. I feel like it just gives you, it just comes at you a little bit better. So what we got here? I don't know what size end screen this is. What is it about? Like a 6.1 maybe, give or take. All right, controls. Turn the screen off. Fingerprinted up. That means they ain't cleaned the thing up. What's going on, man? AC. Park assistant. This is the button that turns on and off that where it stop and start back up. I guess you want to say at the light, the green lights with it when you at the stop. Eco mode, sport mode. Not sport mode. I don't know how fast that thing goes. Not mine. So then you got the off button. Yeah, I don't know what this sport mode does for it. Now, what is this? Can I open it? How you open it? How you open this? It's got that. Maybe I should push that. Oh, got all your stuff in there. Oh yeah. Hookups of your phone and all that good stuff. So I need to go ahead and I cannot hook my phone up to that then. That's decent. Cup holder, change holders. Nice. Pretty good. Look good for it. Looks pretty good on the inside. Controls on the steering wheel. Cruise control, you know how that works. Phone, you know how that works. When you're looking at the dash, just turn it up. You can look at everything on the dash. There's that WAP on. The start and stop is off. See? I turned it off. That's what it is. Start and stop. Start and stop. Okay. Got the mileage. Let me see. Can you go left or right? Not really. Let's go left and right. Not really. Tire pressure. Okay, gives y'all the nice little things that you got. Let's look at this interior. I like this. This is not leather. This is plastic. Cloth seats. I don't know what this is. It's like that brush metal or something it is. I don't know. Can you really see that in the camera? I don't know. It's alright though. It don't look that bad. It kind of blends in with that. Versus this being like a brown or something. Kind of blends in. Nice. Got it over there as well. Comes all around. Through here. Through there. Get on the back doors too. Hey, let's get out and look at this thing too. Let's get out and look at it. Alright. Oh, you got the seats controls. Okay, that's pretty good. You got the seat control. The one they got on the other side for the passenger too. It's just gonna let the seat up. Oh, look at it. Oh, this for you. I guess this for you can let the seat back. But it didn't let it up just then. Let me try to let it back. I'll make sure I find the gas thing. So it's up in here. Might need that gas. Put some gas in here one day if I take it back. Well, before I take it back. Like the shark fin antenna. You got nice little space in here. You know it's an SUV, so it's gonna always have a nice space. So let's see what they got up in here. Spare tire. That's like a full-size spare too. Huh. Nice. Got the plugs back here. So you can charge your phone back here. I don't know what this is. It might be a hook or something. I don't know. Hook for a net, but they don't have in here. The Laredo, baby. I don't like this shit. I think this should have been a different color or something. Or this color of the vehicle. This could go. I mean, that matches the interior. That's cool. Grand Cherokee. What size tires they got on here? 17-inch tires. 245. Wow, that's what this car comes with? Okay. So let me go over here. Where they going right there? Tell them that's not a road and shit, right? Tell them that's not a road. Alright, so let's put this in sport mode here. Let's put this in sport mode. And let's see what happens. It's in sport mode. Let me turn this on. Put my seatbelt on. Let's see where we at. Sport mode, straight press the gas. Not bad. There's a stop sign, so I gotta stop. Not bad. It picks up a little bit. It gives a little bit of pickup. Just a tad, man. I know they probably gonna cuss me out. I'm about to blow their damn vehicle up. But that's what's up, though. Let's get it. That's all right, though. I like the damn truck, though, man. If I was in the market for an SUV, I would get one of these, man. It's pretty decent, man. I ain't gonna front. Without further ado, man, that's your boy, man. I'll be getting back with y'all, man, to tell me what happened to my car, what's going on with my car, what I need to do to my car. I don't know, man. Whatever it is, hopefully it gets fixed here soon, because I need it fixed real soon. I ain't got time to wait. But oh, I was wondering what he was looking at. I thought he knew me or something. But okay, man. Other than that, man, it's your boy. Him too wavy. Stay ready. You ain't gotta get ready. Let's make it happen. Do what it do, baby. I'm out.